If someone has been in a medical malpractice incident, the common emotion that I often encounter is someone who is very frustrated and even angry. And the reason they have those emotions in a medical malpractice context is that they've had a bad outcome from a medical procedure and they're not getting answers as to why that happened. And the doctor who is in a position to give them those answers, or the hospital, shuts them out of the process. They shut down and won't answer their questions oftentimes. And that's incredibly frustrating for the patient or the patient's family, because more than anything, they want answers as to why certain things happened. People are very frustrated by their inability to get answers about what happened and why. And so I'm typically able to answer at least questions related to how the law applies to their situation and what the legal process is for their situation. I'm not able to answer oftentimes questions that require medical expertise because I'm not a medical expert, but I can tell them that I can help them arrive at those answers. I do my best to answer their questions and to demonstrate to them that I have the expertise that they will need in order to evaluate their situation. I think among the mistakes that people make would be, one, putting off the decision to consult a lawyer, because medical malpractice cases and all personal injury cases involve a limited period of time within which you can file a lawsuit. That's referred to as the statute of limitations. And in Idaho, the statute of limitations that applies to most personal injury cases is a 2-year time period. And so that's not very much time. So consulting a lawyer early on is very important. That's probably the biggest mistake people make, is just putting off that choice. You need to have a lawyer who has substantial experience with handling a medical malpractice case. Most people don't know how to go about identifying those lawyers. Lawyers know lawyers, and so by consulting a lawyer who you might have worked with on another matter is a good step to take, because they can help you find the lawyer that you're looking for who has the expertise in medical malpractice. What I'd say to someone who's putting off hiring a lawyer for a medical malpractice incident because they're worried about the cost of that process, I'd say, don't delay. Lawyers who handle medical malpractice cases almost always handle them on a contingent fee basis, which means that you're not paying the lawyer for the time they spend, you're paying the lawyer ultimately for the recovery they're able to achieve on your behalf. So there's literally no cost involved with consulting the lawyer to determine whether you have a case and to learn what you need to know about the case.